Okay guys, so we've gone through all the videos and now it's just a little roundup of a checklist just to remind us of what we need to do. So for me, I mean, this checklist for you might be different, but I just wanted to share my journey with you. So I'm sharing what's worked for me and given me results. So hopefully, you can incorporate this into your daily life as well and start putting these habits in and then start tracking what you're doing. So first of all, what we'll do is my checklist is, so there's about 9 things I do. So the first thing I do is I weigh myself every morning when I get up. First thing, get up in the morning, weigh yourself, track it, write it down, have a little journal with you, right? The second thing is track your calories. And of course that you could use MyFitnessPal. There's so many good apps out there that you can track your calories with. So always be on point. I weighed all my food to the gram, to the T, really all the way. I didn't have no leeway, maybe here and there, but mainly it was right to the exact amount. Measure your waist once a week. So pick a day. I did Mondays. I measured myself every day and on that Monday, wrote it down. And then what you do is you write down your previous week's waist and this week's, so you can see the comparisons. So make sure you got those figures down, because then you can see the changes happening and that will encourage you more. The other thing I did, number 4, was take front, side and back pictures. On the same day, I would weigh my waist. Measure my waist. So you want to do that too, once a week. So then that will show you progress as well. If you look over 1-2 months, you'll start seeing the progress, and that will also give you a lot of encouragement to carry on with the process. Another thing I would do, number 5, would be walk 10,000 to 12,000 steps. You can start with 10,000. You can start with lower as well and build up, but it's the habit. Remember, it's the habit you're building every day. So even 1,000 steps in your garden, the main thing is you're doing it every day at a certain time that suits you, and you're building those habits like we talked about, habit stacking. Follow your meal plan. This is an obvious one, but yeah, follow your meal plan to the T. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day, number 7. Number 8 would be weight training 3 times a week. So there's, in the exercise section, which we'll be talking about next, I talk about the program I was on, so I'll share that with you. I'll share the exercises. There's examples of me doing exercises, so you won't get confused. You can see on there how I do it, the form and everything. Okay. And last but not least, number 9, which is very important, it's the sleep, 7 to 8 hours. But not only the sleep, it's the quality of sleep. So you want to get a good 7 to 8 hours, because you want to recover from all that activity you're doing. So yes, guys, that's my kind of 9 kind of checklists that I wanted to just put together, just to show you that, this was my routine every day. This is what I did for the last 9 months. And if you can extract stuff you like from it, there may be stuff you want to leave out. Perfectly fine. You got to do something that suits you and that you'll be consistent with. All right. So I'll see you in the next video.